Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome to Florida Kitchen. It's a special weekend. We are going to do some churrasco. In our country, it's called Carne Asada. It's a churrasco on the grill. And this is the typical food from my country, from Nicaragua. And we bought these from BJ's. If you want to know what type of meat it is, it's actually called beef loin flap basio, okay, sirloin. And we bought quite a few packages because it's for a birthday. And the first step you're going to do is we're going to go ahead and wash the meat, right, Mom?
Yeah, wash the meat.
Do you wash the meat with anything in particular?
With anything? No.
Do you wash it with
just
water?
Just water.
Just water. So just wash your meat with water. Make sure that it's washed thoroughly because there's some blood residue. So make sure of that. All right, and we'll show you the process. All right, so that's a lot of meat. Look at all of that meat right there. That's a lot of meat. We're talking about 19 pounds of meat. So since this is for around 30 people, we're gonna cut the pieces, right, Mom? Now you can decide whether or not you want to take off the fat. We don't want to do that because the person that we're celebrating the birthday for likes a little bit of that fat there. Okay, and now we're gonna use garlic. And how many cloves of garlic do you use?
Maybe two, ¿cómo se dice cabeza?
2 heads, right?
2 heads of
2 cloves.
garlic.
2 cloves.
And then I'm going to put orange.
Bitter orange. Now we're going to use bitter orange to marinate all of that meat.
And then I'm going to put
there it is, bitter orange. And we're going to leave this overnight. Yeah. And we're also going to add some olive oil, right? We get that from BJ's also. Extra virgin olive oil. So Mom is cutting that into pieces so that it would be easier to actually put on the grill. And I'm going to show you guys tomorrow how we
put red onions.
Okay, and how much of a red onion will you put?
Maybe this
whole thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's 19 pounds of meat.
But
So
I'm going to put like that.
So this is a secret of making a Nicaraguan churrasco. Bitter orange, garlic, onion, salt, and a little bit of olive oil. So Mommy is taking a little bit of the fats, not on all of it, but on some of it. All right?
Yeah.
But since the people that are going to the park, they actually like to eat it with a little bit of that fat. Cool. Wow, that one has a lot of fat, right?
Yeah.
The money will remain in escrow until I return and the winner of the contest enters his or her.
And you're going to be cutting into pieces to make it easier for everyone to take a piece. Now, if you might be asking, how much is this per pound? It's probably like $7 per pound. Mommy, could you demonstrate how you cut it into the little pieces?
Yeah.
Okay, so after cutting it into various pieces, we're not going to put it in the pots, in that big pot. So it's a lot of meat, right, Mom?
I like
Those 19 pounds is like, you created them into even more meat because you cut them into small pieces for each individual. So, gonna leave as is. And let's just take it from this side. And look at that, wow. And this is a big pot. So it's getting filled quite rapidly, right? I'm gonna cut that. Perfect. Nice. And I don't know if you guys eat a lot of churrasco, but in my country we do eat a lot of churrasco. Argentina, Brazil, all of these countries, they eat a lot of churrasco, also Uruguay. And now you're gonna marinate that in bitter orange. And as I said before, you're gonna leave this overnight. The meat will saturate in this bitter orange. This is the best ingredient. So you see the bitter orange right there on the bottom. And add some more. Mommy, are you gonna put more bitter orange or this is enough?
Maybe more.
A little bit more, I believe, right?
I believe.
Just a little bit more. And we're gonna cut some 2 cloves, right, of garlic.
This. I'm going to put this head.
2 heads of garlic.
2 heads of garlic because too much meat.
There's a lot of meat. All right, let's see here. Oh, no, this is heavy. So as I said before, the birthday is actually for my sister. And let's peel that off. Oh, so you're gonna do it this way. You know, I was assuming that you were going to cut it and just
cut it?
And just leave the little cloves right there, but you're gonna actually pass it through there, right? I forgot what this is called. Let me know.
¿Cómo se dice?
I don't know what it's called. I forgot. Anyways, you're going to go do it this way. And so you're going to put 2 heads of those, right? And do it that way.
Like that, right?
Why do you, and the reason why is because it's like minced. That's the reason why you do it that way. Okay, now you're going to put the whole onion, that big onion, you're going to put that there, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like that.
Oh, you're going to do it the same way. So minced garlic and onion. Wow, you could actually smell that a lot. Wow, guys, imagine leaving that overnight. By tomorrow, the taste is gonna be just quite amazing. Wow. I wonder if you guys have done any of my recipes from Florida Kitchen. If you have, let me know. Comment, subscribe, and share. Florida Kitchen. I'm also on Instagram at Florida Kitchen #1.
Salt.
How much salt are you gonna put? Wow, that's strong. So the amount of salt all depends on how much, how salty you want it to be.
Too much.
Wow. Look at all those juices.
I have my hands clean.
You washed your hands, right?
Like sick.
But if you don't want your hands smelling like that, then I would suggest you wearing gloves.
You have to put more garlic.
More garlic?
Remember.
Okay.
The 2 heads.
The 2 heads of garlic.
And a big onion.
Are you gonna put all of that onion?
Yeah, a big one.
Wow. Are you going to pass it through the little
and
thing?
then we are going to put oil.
Olive oil.
This.
Okay.
Open. Okay,
so let's open the olive oil.
Uh-huh.
So right now we are watching some James Bonds. All right, then so let's open the olive oil. Okay, so now as soon as we are opening that olive oil, we still keep on mincing or having that garlic minced. Okay, and let's get that olive oil. Look at this movie right there. Some James Bond. Okay, so some olive oil. How much olive oil will you add?
I'm going to put...
So it's not completely open. Okay. Nice. Now the olive oil is optional, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's quite a lot of olive oil. Olive oil is healthier, so might as well add that. And you keep on mixing that. And it's gonna make, the olive oil is gonna make it easier to cook.
Yeah.
On the brass, right? Beautiful.
This is enough.
Okay. Perfect. All right. My mom is like, why do you keep on recording if they know how to mince the garlic? But it's just to tell you, you know, that you could put as much garlic or as little garlic as you want. I would suggest not to put that much of olive oil. Put a little bit, don't put very much, because I could feel the olive oil, and I want to smell more the bitter orange than the olive oil.
Do you think I put much?
Yeah, quite a few. Yeah, but it's okay.
No, I don't think so.
You think it's all right, Mom?
I am simple.
All right.
I am alright.
And you said that you were gonna put the whole onion?
The whole onion. Yeah.
Okay. All right, Mom. So that's pretty much it.
But like,
Oh my goodness, look at that churrasco. That is an amazing churrasco. Now that's some chicken legs, some sausage.
¿Tiene pollo? ¿Con dos? ¿Bien cocinada? La puse a...
Wow. Wow, that's amazing, Daddy. Yo voy a esperar la carne.
Yo también.
I'm gonna wait for the meat.
Yo soy más de carne.
Wow, now we're making the churrasco. Oh, I'm sorry, not churrasco. This is chicken legs and some sausage right there. Wow, that looks good, doesn't it?
Especially if you're hungry.
That's true. And then there's a corn right there. We're boiling some corn.
Which one do you want? You want the biggest one? Yeah, smallest one. Smallest one, that's small.